Hi guys, and welcome to the trailer for the Total Technik rear seat removal video. In the video we'll be doing a full rear seat removal. That includes the rear seat bench, the rear seat uprights, the rear seat side bolsters and all of the relevant brackets and fixings that hold these into place. We're literally going to show you everything you need to know to remove these seats safely from your car. And this video applies to both Saloon, that's Sedan, and Avant owners. One important thing to note, this video applies to people who are either installing or removing seats that have the 60/40 rear fold down seat option, as you can see there. For people that have the fixed rear seats, this video won't really apply. There is a slightly different process for those particular seats. However, if you're doing something like retrofitting S4 seats or RS4 seats, something like that, into your A4, this is going to be the ideal video for you. Now when it comes to the removal and installation of the rear seats on the B6 and B7 platforms, thankfully there's nothing here which is particularly complicated, so it does make it an ideal DIY project. Yes, some of the fixings are a little bit tricky to access, and of course they do have to be removed in the correct order. That's literally what we're going to do with this video. We're going to take you through the process step by step. So all you need to do is follow along at home, watch the video carefully, and you won't go wrong. So this is the ideal video for you if you want to do this job at home. And of course, best of all, if you're able to undertake this work yourself at home, you can save yourself a heck of a lot of money. If you were to take your car to a garage to undertake this work for you, they're going to be charging you £50 or $50 per hour to do this job for you. So doing this at home, you're going to save yourself a lot of money. So if you're interested in purchasing the full version of this video, we'll add a link for you on the screen below and also in the information section, so you can scroll down and check that out as well. Thank you very much for watching guys, it's genuinely appreciated. We hope that you'll take advantage of the full version of this video, and we'll see you soon. Thank you. Also, as a special bonus feature, the full version of this video includes an in-depth overview covering what needs to be considered for those who wish to retrofit Audi A4 or RS4 seats into their Audi A4s. This bonus content alone runs at over 25 minutes and covers everything you should consider before buying your S4 or RS4 seats to ensure compatibility with the existing features of your car. If you are considering this popular upgrade, then this bonus content is an absolute must. Don't get caught out, check it out today. The full version is available from totaltechnik.com or by following the link below. Thanks for watching.